This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pamela Ratfield. Beautifully maintained 3-bed, 2 BTH home with a dedicated study sits on an oversized 0.38-acre lot. Step inside to find a bright and open floor plan with soaring ceilings, a spacious great room, and a versatile study, perfect for a home office, library, or fourth bedroom. The well-appointed kitchen features plenty of cabinet space and a breakfast bar that opens to the main living area, making it ideal for entertaining or everyday living. The primary suite offers a walk-in closet and ensuite bath, while 2 additional bedrooms are perfect for guests or family. For more information, review the details below or contact Pamela Ratfield at 512-663-2660.